Kobe beef, the best of the best.
It's considered the tastiest beef money can buy. There are only 8 restaurants in all of the United States certified to sell authentic Kobe beef according to the Kobe Beef Association. You'd think at Le Bernardin, one of New York City's most exclusive restaurants, the Kobe beef would be authentic. Check out this small Kobe beef lunch we ordered for $110. Later, we asked the manager to see their Kobe beef certification.
I am sure we have the certification, absolutely.
Can we see it?
I'm sure you can.
Do you want to go back there and bring it out and show us?
Absolutely.
He never came back. The owner called later to say they made a mistake and immediately changed the menu from Kobe beef to Japanese Wagyu, a less expensive Japanese beef. Watch Inside Edition to see what other restaurants we checked out that had Kobe beef on the menu.